Hi guys, welcome to my channel Java Trends. For latest update in every week, like and subscribe my channel. So our next question is difference between new keyword and constructor. So what is the difference between new keyword and constructor? So this question is little bit confusing because both are happening in the same line. Okay, so that's why it's a little bit confusing. So we will see this one. So, what is the use of new keyword? The main use of new keyword is to create an object. What by using new, we create an object. Okay, and what is the use of constructor? The main purpose of constructor is to initialize object. The main purpose of constructor is to initialize object. And what is the use of new keyword? To create object. Okay. So first object will be created by using new operator, then initialization will be performed by constructor. So first our object will be created, means every time when we create object, first our object is created, and after that our constructor our object is initialized. Okay, so it shows the only applicable modifier for constructor are public, private, protected, and default. A lot of time interviewer asks that what modifiers are applicable in constructor. So this for one is applicable on constructor, and rest of the modifiers are not applicable in constructor. So this is the example of new keyword and constructor. So in this example, you know that what is going on. In this example, taste is the class, okay, class name. So first we initialize like taste t equals to new. So when we use new, so it will create object. So t is a object now, and after that we mention that taste. Okay, so now this one is the constructor. This is the initialization of object. Okay, so every times first we create object, and after that initialization will be performed by constructor. Okay, so for better clarification, we will see in our practical session. I think now you get a little bit about new keyword and constructor. Okay, so this one is the example of new keyword and constructor. So see this one. This one is the class taste. Okay. So in this example, we have two variables, string name and int roll number. So after that, we create a constructor which have two parameter, taste, string name, and int roll number. Okay. So after that, in main method, we create a object of that class, taste class, and first we create object, and after that we initialize the object. Okay, by using constructor. So in this constructor, like taste, we pass two values, Java and 101. So when we pass two values by using constructor, so it will goes to there, it will call to this one constructor. Okay, because this constructor is two values, and there is also we pass two values to the constructor, so it will call to this one. Okay, so now this one is got initialized. Okay, so now string name, int roll number. So now it will initialize. Java is setting up with name, and 101 is setting up with roll number. Okay, so in place of name we got Java, and in place of roll number we got 101. So these two values are setting up into this one. Okay, in place of name and roll number. So when we print this one, system.out.println t.name and t.roll number, so we will get output like Java and 101. Okay, because because first we create object by using new keyword. Okay, the object will be created. Which one object? T is the object. So first object will be created, by using new operator. So this is the use of new operator, okay, new keyword. And second one, constructor. So what is the use of constructor? To initialize the object. So how can we initialize the object? Like we are creating constructor with two parameters, and we passing the value when we passing value from there at the time of creating object, okay. After creating object, when we call that constructor, and we pass that value, okay, java and 101. So at this time it will initialized with java and 101. So what is the use of constructor? The use of constructor is to initialize the object. We initialize there now. This is the name and roll number. We initialize that is initialized by java and 101. So when we run this program, we got name and name and roll number. So what is the name? Java and 101, okay. So what is the use of new keyword? The use of new keyword is to create object. And what is the use of constructor? To initialize the object, we use constructor, okay. So I think now it's clear. Okay, thank you.